Alright guys, what's going on? Yeah, let's tone this down a little bit. Today we're going to be going over to Point Reyes. It's about an hour and a half drive away from here. It's supposed to be beautiful. There's going to be like sort of, here, let me fix this. There's going to be sort of like a tree tunnel. It's going to be really pretty. It's about an hour out. I hit people up today. Nobody was available for the shoot, so I figured it would be a good opportunity to do some self-portrait work and maybe get that in the vlog. So yeah, let's get in the car and get out of here and go to Point Reyes. Alright, we made it. This place is freaking beautiful. It's super quiet. Alright guys, we made it to the tree tunnels. It's freaking beautiful out here. Here, let me show you. We got a couple walking down this way. And Jesus, it's beautiful. Something I've always struggled with is sometimes it's hard to get like someone to model for you. So I tried getting someone to come down here and nobody was available. So I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and do some self-portraits. So let's try to do that and we'll see what those look like. I'll probably put them into the video at some point. Alright, let's go. Alright, it's a good little self-portrait photo session. I also ran into a very nice couple, Garrett and I believe it was Kaylee. I'll be throwing up some images in a few moments on the video. Basically, the setup I got was, this was my setup right here. I put my camera on the tripod, had it down this way. And then most cameras have an app to control them remotely. And so for mine, it's this camera app right here. Camera Connect for Canon. I'm sure most Canon cameras have it. I remember when I had my Olympus, it had a similar app where you could control it with your phone. And it connects just with like Bluetooth. Like out here, I have no service out here whatsoever. It's not that difficult. If you don't have any models with you, then just be your own model. But yeah, it was really crazy that there ended up being this couple. That they were taking pictures as well. I saw them walking down back. I just straight up asked them like if they wanted some photos taken, and they said yes. So, you know, I don't really do that often, but I need to get more confident in terms of people skills and with photography and videography, because I feel like if I increased my confidence and just really put myself out there, then I would probably get a lot more business, and therefore getting closer to my goal of, you know, quitting the job and, you know, doing what I really want to do. I plan on throwing up some, you know, gaming on this channel, maybe skits, you know, all sorts of stuff. I'm just going to kind of see what sticks, because, you know, I have a lot of interests. I have a lot of things that I would really like to do. And, you know, I have the same dream that probably a lot of people have, which is, you know, quitting their job and doing something that you love to do. And there's just a lot of interests that I have, so I kind of got to nail down what I want to do with my life and, you know, figure out what makes money. But yeah, it would help a lot to have anyone that's watching to comment and say what they like and or dislike in these videos, in these vlogs. And so then that way I can improve and, you know, do what I need to do in order to get closer to my goal. So